friends, today our topic is accounting concept. Now we will discuss on these concepts one by one. See, I have written all the concepts. Now we will discuss on it one by one. So the first one is entity concept. What is that? Entity concept means that the business is separate from its owners. Just like, for example, the company is separate from its board of directors. So the business is a separate entity. That is the main essence of this concept. The next one is accrual concept. What is that? Accrual concept is that along with income and expenditure, we must record the due income and due expenditure. So this is the main concept of accruality that says that along with the actuals, we must record the due also. So it will be the accrual concept. What is the next one? The next one is consistency concept. It means that the business will go on in the same way in the next financial year as in the current financial year, and so on. And then is matching concept. What is that? Matching concept is that the current year's income must be matched with the current year's income. That is matching concept. Then the materiality concept. What is that? Materiality concept is that the decision of the related party or the vendors of any business may be changed if any material transaction is there. So all material transaction must be disclosed in the financials that may change the decision of the related parties of the business. That is called materiality concept. Next one is cost concept. What is that? Cost concept is that if any benefit is derived after the cost of any procedure or any activity, that must be recorded in the books of accounts. And then the revenue recognition concept. What is that? In the revenue recognition concept, the revenue would be measured in a manner that is logical and that is fair, and that should be recognized in the books of accounts. And then the conservative concept. What is that? Conservative concept is that the actual income will be booked, but in case of expenditure, along with actual, the due expenditure also to be booked. So we will maintain the conservatism policy in case of recognition of income, but in case of expenditure we will be more liberal, and we, along with the actual, we also record the probable expenditure. Then coming to the income measurement concept. See, you must have heard about the IFRS, Ind AS and US GAAP. These also all the guidelines we can follow, and the main manner of recognition of income in a consistent manner that may be in a timely basis will be recorded in the accounts. So the main idea behind that income measurement will be done in a manner that is trustworthy and that is logical with the passage of time. So these are the concepts. So please like and subscribe my channel if you like it, and we will upload our next video very soon. Thank you.